In today's kitchen tip, the old fat guy is going to show you how to chop an onion with a French knife, or also known as a chef's knife. Now remember to hold your knife with your finger there and your other one there. And we're just going to start by cutting lengthwise through the onion, so we cut it in half. And then do not cut this root end, but cut this little bit of end off there. And now you want to peel off the outer layer of the onion that's dry and you don't want to use. Just grab a piece, and this one's being a little finicky. There it goes. There we are. And some over here. There we are. Get that dry stuff off. There we are. Now the rest of it's all nice and moist and green. So what we're going to do is take the onion half, and you want to cut with the tip of the knife, so not all the way through the other side, but just well deep into the onion. In slices like that. Now I got a little bit of dry stuff there. I think I'm going to take off. I still don't like it. There we go. Okay. So now that you've got the slices in the onion, you want to cut it this way very carefully. Just get part of the way through, holding it together. Just work your knife through it until it's sliced to the thickness you want. Now it's super easy to dice. You just cut across it. And there you have an evenly diced, easily diced onion, and you learned how from David Farrell, the old fat guy.